Hey guys, so to start off, I'm going to moisturize my hair, then add the elastic band to it, braid my hair, and then add the curly hair to the end of my hair to make it longer. And then you will see the process throughout the video, and it's not necessarily the elastic band, but because I thought I would do the crochet braid method, but you can really do this style how I'm doing. You will see. Now we're going into the tutorial. So I'm using the Cuban twist 16 inches. I should have get the longer side, but whatever. I'm using 2 strands of it, and then you will see how I position my hair. It's not that complicated, but not it takes time, but not too much. I mean, the whole process takes time, but you know. So I just take it to the middle, the strand, and then you see the other side there's no longer or shorter side, it's like equal. And then I start wrapping the hair around the fretress, deep twist, and the other part of the strand, if that makes sense. And then I start wrapping around it till I hit the end. And when I hit the end, after it, I work my way up to, yeah, I work my way up, and then I seal it with some glue. It's the nail glue. And I also position my finger to guide me to do the twist correctly, so it is easy for me to wrap it around around the strand. I am back, guys. Oh my god, this hairstyle is super heavy. Like, I thought it would be lightweight, but forget that. And I use 8.5 just because I wanted to be like a little bigger, not too small. But you know, that's too much hair, but I mean, I can handle that. Oh my god. Yeah, anyways, I mean, that's too much hair, but I think, ooh, yeah, I mean, that's too much hair, but I think as the day goes by, I will just get used to it. And I don't know which hairstyle I want to do, but I want my head to come down a little bit so I can show you some style you can do with this goddess Faux Locs, DIY goddess Faux Locs, because I'm not a professional, you know, but I tried to do that because I really liked how it turns, but it wasn't the thing I expected to be. Like, it was too big. I thought it would be like really smaller, but you know, it was my first time doing it, so bear with me, guys, okay? So yeah, that's it, how you do it. And yeah, you can see close up. Yeah, and I braided it like a little bit tight at the root so it can last for a couple of days, and then it can be whatever it wants to be the next day. But I just wanted to you know, wrap it tighter, really tight, so it can, you know, last longer. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Okay, let me find an hairstyle for mine, and I hope you learned something from this tutorial. And if you like it, please leave it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, my name is umrosey here, and follow me on Twitter, on Snapchat, and leave a comment down below what you want to see on my channel. So yeah, and I will keep uploading videos, and school is starting now, so I will upload 1 video per week, but sometimes I will upload 2 videos a week. It really depends on what I'm doing, but just keep up with me. Keep up with me and you'll be surprised, guys, okay? So that's it. That is for my Faux Locs, and I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, I forgot to mention that it took me 5 days, business day, 5 freaking business day to do it, because I had work 2 days straight, so I couldn't finish my hair. So I started Monday, now it is Friday, and finally done with my hair, because first part was like to part my hair, to moisturize my hair, to part my hair, to put the elastic bands, to braid my hair, to add the curl, and then the second part, you know, to add this thing. I was running out of some packs, so I just go to the beauty supply store to get it, and I got 4 packs, but I use only 4 strands for the 9 packs, so I use 8 packs and a half, and then I use 1 pack and a half for the fretress deep twist. And I did use the mousse for the curls, and then for the here. And yeah, I will just keep up with the style, how I maintain it, and how I style it really next. And yeah, bye guys.